subscribe to our channel.
5 Home remedies to control vaginal discharge and odor. Vaginal discharge is a normal, even necessary, occurrence in women. Rather than being concerned when you notice a moist spot in your underwear, you should truly worry if you are unusually dry. The main reason why you want to keep things in balance is because vaginal moisture helps protect this intimate area, preventing the development of infections and fungi. More than that, it's important as an intimate lubricant. Normal vaginal discharge is transparent and can vary slightly with white or yellowish coloration. Usually it doesn't have a strong odor and is relatively unnoticeable. But sometimes your body's production of fluids can suddenly change in color or cause a strong odor that's easy to notice. In the latter case, it's likely due to a fungal infection caused by an alteration of your vagina's natural pH balance. The good news is that there are several natural treatments that can help reduce or neutralize these uncomfortable symptoms. 1. Fenugreek tea. Fenugreek is an herb that has incredible medicinal properties. It's highly recommended for women because fenugreek promotes a healthy hormonal balance and regular menstrual cycles. Some herbalists claim that fenugreek has similar properties to estrogen, which can help women as they go through menopause. 2. Plain yogurt. Plain yogurt is one of the best natural ways to fight the fungus and bacteria that can cause vaginal infections. This is thanks to its high concentration of lactobacilli, a healthy bacteria that regulates the vaginal flora and alters the environment to make it unfriendly to pathogens. 3. Garlic. Garlic is considered to be one of the most powerful natural antibiotics. Its active compounds eliminate hundreds of viruses, bacteria, and fungi that can cause infections. By consuming garlic every day, you eliminate the odors caused by yeast without altering the pH of the vagina. 4. Milk and turmeric. The combination of milk and turmeric is a simple antibacterial treatment to remove yeast while protecting the entire vaginal area. It's a great treatment for bacterial vaginosis, in general, as well as vaginal dryness. 5. Guava leaf tea. The leaves from the guava tree have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties that have been used for centuries thanks to their medicinal benefits. They're ideal for fighting menstrual cramps and also provide an excellent solution to the problems associated with excess vaginal discharge. Guava leaves have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties that have been used since ancient times for medicinal purposes. Remember to only choose one of the remedies we've discussed today, as opposed to combining multiple ones. This could lead to adverse effects. Complement these treatments with good hygiene and, as always, adopt a healthy lifestyle. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.